Saturn evolves into a powerful hub of a growing space civilization. Today, we begin building a city inside Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings are made of billions of moving particles. Inside the rings, movement is constant and unpredictable. A massive construction fleet enters to begin the mission. The rings are scanned to find stable zones for construction.
Safe zones are identified within the moving rings.
Stabilizers begin controlling movement within the rings. A stable construction zone is created inside the rings. The construction fleet prepares to build the first structure. The first platform rises, marking the beginning of a city in Saturn's rings. The first platform expands, forming the foundation of a city inside Saturn's rings. Stabilizer towers begin controlling the movement of ring particles.
Energy grids reshape the ring environment for safe construction.
Additional modules strengthen and expand the structure. A solid surface forms within one of the most unstable environments. Vertical structures begin shaping the future city.
Multiple platforms merge into a connected structure inside the rings.
Protective systems secure the structure from constant particle impacts. A transport system begins supporting continuous expansion.
The foundation of a city inside Saturn's rings is now complete.
Resource extraction begins by harvesting materials directly from Saturn's rings. Ring particles are transformed into valuable resources. Industrial systems refine raw materials into advanced components. Energy systems harness light and motion to power the entire network.
Mass production begins inside Saturn's rings.
Storage systems secure resources for long-term expansion.
A seamless transport network supports continuous operations.
Industrial capacity expands across the entire system. A multi-platform industrial empire takes shape.
Saturn's rings transform into a powerful industrial system. High-speed transport routes begin connecting the growing structure.
Magnetic pods enable fast and efficient movement within the rings. The network expands, linking every part of the structure. Materials move seamlessly across the industrial network.
A central hub manages the entire transport system.
Transport evolves from industrial to human movement systems.
Aerial transport adds flexibility to the growing city.
The city connects to the wider space network.
Movement becomes constant, forming a dynamic system.
A complete transport system powers the city inside Saturn's rings.
The city rises, transforming Saturn's rings into a futuristic skyline. Futuristic architecture defines life inside the rings. Protected environments allow safe living inside the rings.
Living spaces combine comfort with breathtaking cosmic views. Observation decks bring residents closer to Saturn's rings. Floating lounges redefine luxury in space.
Dining becomes an experience surrounded by the universe.
Movement across the city is fast and effortless.
Bump Up Day. Life inside Saturn's rings becomes a reality.
Saturn's rings transform into the ultimate luxury space civilization. The city begins expanding beyond the rings into deep space.
Ships depart Saturn, connecting the ring city to the wider system.
Beyond the rings, Saturn's moons become the next expansion points.
A network begins linking the rings to surrounding worlds. Orbital hubs extend the reach of the ring city. Resources flow across the network, fueling expansion. Human life expands beyond the rings into nearby worlds. A complete transport network connects Saturn's entire system. The system becomes a living network of constant movement. Saturn evolves into a powerful hub of a growing space civilization. Advanced systems begin monitoring both ring movement and space activity. A powerful shield protects the city from constant particle impacts. Ring movement is controlled to maintain stability and safety. Autonomous drones secure the entire perimeter. Defense extends beyond the rings to protect the entire system. The system withstands even the most extreme conditions. Smart systems ensure continuous stability and performance. A stable zone is maintained within one of the most chaotic environments. The city stands strong, fully protected, and stable. The system becomes unstoppable inside Saturn's rings. What once seemed impossible is now a living reality inside Saturn's rings.
A civilization rises in one of the most chaotic environments in space.
From the rings, humanity expands further into the universe. Saturn becomes the center of a new space civilization. Every part of the system is now connected. A complete civilization now exists inside Saturn's rings.
Expansion continues beyond Saturn into the wider universe.
This is no longer just a planet. It is a living system. A new era begins, built within Saturn's rings. This is not just a city. This is humanity's future in space.